Good morning! I'm Global Marketing Director, Peng Mendoza. Dati akong may sakit na ulcers, lagi akong may hyperacidity. Kahit anong drink na may kulay, soft drinks, coffee, milk, nangangasim yung sikmura ko. Araw-araw yon. Buti na lang dumating ang Lifestyles products. Magmula nung tinake ko yung Lifestyles products, no more pain, hindi na ako nangangasim, and occasionally, nakakainom na rin ako ng soft drinks, pero wala ng pain. Pero ang pinakamaganda, yung mom ko, dating high blood, hypertensive, pero ngayon, dahil umiinom na siya, normal ang BP, pati yung sister ko na doktor, dati siya na may polycystic ovarian disease, for 4 years, hindi siya nagkakaanak. But taking the products, Lifestyles products, Intra, ngayon, she has already 3 kids. Malalaki na sila ngayon, nung pinanganak sila, nung baby sila, lahat ng pamangkin ko, pinapainom ng Lifestyles products. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, kung ano man yung health concerns mo, gusto mo maging healthy, the best talaga ang Lifestyles products. Lahat kami very healthy. Hindi masyado nagkakasakit, ubo, sipon, pero sandali lang. Kasi for 24 years, we are all taking the Lifestyles products. Kung gusto mo maging healthy, take ka rin. Pati yan buong family mag-take ng Lifestyles products. Bye-bye!